onion. Yeah. Okay. Alam mo kulang sa'yo, wala kang ilaw dito. Supposed to have light here.
It's supposed to be, I think I got removed somehow. I don't know. Meron siyang light.
Baka patay na yung bumbilya. Yung bumbilya niya. Dead.
Okay, then what do I do?
Nothing, you just do it.
I just have to stare at it? The garlic is so brown now.
Good. That's right. Alright, now you just have to put the chicken.
Are you sure?
Yeah. I'm waiting on the chicken.
Hey, do I have to wait until the
No,
onions is good?
no, no.
Is good? So I have to do it now?
Yeah. Konti lang yung chicken natin. Marami yung gulay.
Okay, alright. So what do I do?
Parang yan, parang pipirito mo lang siya.
Like that? That whole thing?
Yeah, sure.
Hindi ba ito tapos eh?
Hindi naman. Takpan mo. Pagkahalo mo, takpan mo.